Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and welcome to another decentralized finance tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to make a $1 billion market cap application, decentralized application, in only 2 months. And the recipe is quite simple. Catch a successful trend, which is open source code, of course, clone the code and rebrand it, deploy on low fees Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain, and there you go, you have a $1 billion cap project. So this is a little bit sarcastic video about Time Wonderland. If you heard about Time Wonderland, or if you didn't hear about Time Wonderland, please check out my previous video about Time Wonderland, what's all the hype about and everything related to time. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification button, so anytime I post educational content videos about DeFi and crypto, you can learn with me as soon as possible. So Time Wonderland, everyone is so hyped about it, and we saw a little bit why in the previous tutorial. And this is Wonderland Money, Wonderland Time, if you don't know, the Olympus DAO fork on Avalanche. Let's take a look at the Time token. Right now the Time token is being traded on $4,388, and the market cap, as you can see, is $1 billion. It only started here on September, and it got to this market cap, actually to $1 billion after 1 month, not 2 months, and it got even to $2 billion after 2 months. So I'm sorry about the title and the clickbait. It's actually more. It's $2 billion in 2 months. And what is Wonderland Time, you wondered? Let's take a look on the Wonderland Time docs. Who created Wonderland Time? Actually, anonymous team. Wonderland is a fork of Olympus on the Avalanche Network. Avalanche, EVM compatible network, layer 1 network, low fees like Ethereum, but smaller fees. Our team is mostly anonymous, born from the DeFi community. We aim at becoming a decentralized autonomous organization, and we are actively working towards the goal. So right now there is a team. It's not completely decentralized. It's supposed to be like Olympus DAO, decentralized, but right now it's not. Anonymous team, fork of Olympus DAO. Like, you can do the same thing. You can go to GitHub, Olympus DAO Contracts. All the contracts are right here, open source on GitHub. Fork them, rebrand it, you know, new logos, new landing page, new headline, the DeFi Wonderland, financial tools to grow your wealth, stake and earn compounding interest, some marketing, high APR yields, and there you go, you have a $1 billion app on crypto. So yeah, this is my sarcastic video about Wonderland Time and the entire crypto space this day, how easy it is to take an existing project, fork it, clone it, rebrand it, remarket it, and then there you go. It's actually not quite true. I don't know why they say $2 billion market cap, but anyways, we'll have more educational videos about Time. I don't think it's a bad project. Don't get me wrong. It's just some kind of eye-opening for me when I saw this cap of Wonderland Time, and when I read this kind of paragraph here, it just a short funny moment that came into my mind, and I had to share it with you guys so you can understand what Wonderland Time is. But if you are more interested in more technical videos about what it is, what kind of different features it has, how it works in the background, in the smart contracts and everything, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button, because I'm gonna post more technical videos, not this kind of like, oh my god, buy time, stake time, you know, all this kind of not very educational ones that you can find these days in videos. If you want to really understand what Time is from a DeFi master and smart contract developers, please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna post more technical tutorials about what it is and how it looks in the background in the smart contracts and all this kind of cool stuff. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.